Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome to episode one of 5 Minute Math. So today we're going to go over these nested roots and or these continued fractions and show you how to do these. So these are just made to be little quick videos to help you be better at competitive math. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do with something like this is you don't know what it's equal to, so we'll actually just let it be equal to y. Okay, because we can. And then we're going to square both sides. So squaring both sides, you have y squared is equal to 2 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus, and then so on. Now the trick to doing this is to noticing, well, what is this? Well, that's just the original. That's just y. So instead of writing this, we can write what it's equal to, which was y. So we can rewrite this as y squared is equal to 2 plus y. And then we just have a quadratic that we solve. So you have y squared minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 times y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2. Okay. Now you may be asking, why did I skip the negative 1 here? Because the original uh, thing I was looking for was positive from the start. So I know it's not going to be the negative value of negative 1. So the answer is 2. Okay. Next one is essentially the same exact thing. If you notice, you have this continued fraction, so it just continues to go down in the same pattern forever. So once again, you just set it equal to some variable, and this time I'm going to say x. Now the key to doing this one is to knowing that this right here is x itself, because it continues forever. So we simply rewrite this as x is equal to 1 plus 1 all over x. Multiply through by x, you have x squared is equal to x plus 1. X squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now to solve this, we have to use a quadratic equation. This isn't factorable. So we're going to go x equal to negative b, so 1, plus or minus, but I'm only going to do the positive. Once again, this value from the very beginning is only positive, so I can leave it alone. So I have 1 plus the square root of b squared, so 1 minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a, which is just 2. So this gives you equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 all over 2. And hopefully you are able to recognize that this is actually the golden ratio. This is equal to phi. Okay, so anyway, so I hope you guys got a quick understanding of how to do these nested roots and or the continued fractions. Okay, until next time.